Your mind is your greatest weapon or your greatest enemy. It can lift you up or tear you apart. The way you think decides everything. This is MindForge, where broken minds become unstoppable. Most people don't lose in life because they're weak. They lose because they think they can't win. They wake up already defeated, already tired, already believing that life is against them. But life isn't against you, your thoughts are. Your thoughts become your words. Your words become your actions. Your actions become your life. Change the thoughts and you change the story. You've been carrying negativity like it's normal, expecting failure, doubting yourself, replaying mistakes that ended years ago. But listen, your mind believes whatever you tell it. If you keep feeding it pain, it'll find more reasons to suffer. But if you feed it strength, it'll start searching for reasons to rise. That's the power of a positive mind. It doesn't ignore the darkness. It just chooses to find light inside it. When you think positive, you don't magically remove problems, you gain the strength to face them. You stop reacting and start responding. You stop saying, "Why me?" and start saying, "Try me." Positive thinking isn't fake, it's focus. It's training your mind to look for growth instead of fear. The world will always give you reasons to quit, but you get to decide how you see them. A weak mindset says, "I can't." A strong one says, "How can I?" A negative mind sees limits. A positive mind sees possibilities. And the only difference between the two is the story they tell themselves every day. You've been through pain, failure, rejection, but you're still here. That means you're stronger than you think. You've already proven your resilience 100 times, you just forgot to give yourself credit. Positive thinking starts with that, acknowledging your power instead of your problems. So here's how you shift your mindset starting today. First, watch your thoughts. Every time you think, "I can't," replace it with, "I can if I try." Every time you think, "I'm not enough," replace it with, "I'm getting better." Thoughts are habits, and habits can be rewritten. Second, speak power, not pain. Your words are commands to your brain. When you say, "I'm tired," you feel tired. When you say, "I'm strong," your body believes it. Never speak defeat into existence. Third, surround yourself with energy that feeds you. People, environments, music, even what you scroll, all of it shapes how you think. Guard your mind like a fortress. Don't let toxic energy live rent-free in your head. Fourth, take action. Positive thinking without movement is just daydreaming. You build real positivity through effort by proving to yourself that you can take control even when it's hard. You see, positivity isn't pretending everything's okay. It's believing you'll handle it even if it's not. It's knowing that no matter what happens, you'll adapt, learn, and come back stronger. That's real power. That's what separates those who break from those who build. And when you start living this way, everything changes. The world doesn't suddenly get easier, you get stronger. People will notice. They'll ask how you stay calm under pressure, how you keep pushing forward when everything's falling apart. And you'll smile because you'll know the truth. You trained your mind to find strength in struggle. A positive mindset doesn't mean you never feel fear. It means fear never decides for you. It doesn't mean you never fail. It means failure doesn't define you. It means you wake up every morning and say, "I don't know how today will go, but I'll give it everything I've got." That kind of mindset can't be bought. It's forged in hard times, in lonely moments, in the silence when no one's watching. That's where real power is built, not in comfort, but in control. So from today, stop feeding your doubts. Stop watering your fears. Start planting better thoughts. Speak life into your goals. Choose to believe that something good is coming, not because you're lucky, but because you're working for it. You've got one life. One mind, one chance to take control of it. Don't waste it thinking small. Don't waste it doubting what you already have inside you. Every great person you admire, every winner, every fighter, every dreamer started with one belief: "I can." You can too, you just have to think like it, believe like it, live like it. Because when you master your thoughts, you master your world. Your future is waiting, go claim it.